So good morning all. So we shall discuss yet another problem. Problem number 10. Sorry, problem number 11. Show that none of the values of the function x square plus 34x minus 71 upon
Sir, easy to starting with, sir.
yes, x square plus 2x minus 7 over r. R means set of real numbers. Lies between 5 and 9. So this is today's first question. Let me read once again. Show that none of the values of the function x square plus 34x minus 71 upon x square plus 2x minus 7 over r, that means x belongs to r, lies between 5 and 9. That means it's indirectly the value of the function or range of the function does not lie between 5 and 9. That we need to prove. Okay, same procedure need to be applied here also.
Sir, here 71 or 7. What, sir?
That is 71. 71 this is. X square plus 34x minus 71 upon x square plus 2x minus 7. So first let us say y.
That y equal to x square minus 34x minus 71 by x square minus 2x minus 7.
71 upon x square plus 2x minus 7. By cross multiplication, so we get x square y plus 2xy minus 7y equals to x square plus 34x minus 71. So let us transpose all the terms of right hand side to the left hand side, so that we get x square y plus 2xy minus 7y minus x square minus 34x plus 71 equals to 0. Now from x square y minus x square, let us take x square common. If you take x square common, you get like this. What do you get now? That is
x square of x minus y minus 1.
Yes, that we can write y minus 1 times x square. From 2xy minus 34x, you can take 2x common. Plus, if you take 2x common, you will be getting y minus 17 2 times x, we can write. And plus 71 minus 7y equals to 0. It is a quadratic equation in x. So here we have, so coefficient of x square, say capital A, that is y minus 1. Next, coefficient of x is 2 times y minus 17. C is equal to 71 minus 7y. What is given actually here? X is a real. So since X is real,
Square minus 4ac is greater than or equal to 0.
that implies discriminant is greater than or equal to 0. Discriminant is greater than or equal to 0. So that means b square minus 4ac is greater than or equal to 0. Next, let us substitute respective values. B square means 2 times y minus 17 whole square minus 4 times y minus 1 multiplied by 71 minus 7y greater than or equal to 0. So we get an inequality. So that needs to be solved. So now I shall move to the next page for further proceedings, so that we can have 2 times of y minus 17 whole square minus 4 times a times c greater than or equal to 0. Now a is y minus 1. This is 71 minus 7y. Y minus 1, 71 minus 7y. Okay. So now here 2 square is 4. So 4 times y minus 17 whole square is a minus b whole square form. So that we get y square minus 2y.
Y square means
34y.
34y minus
17 square is 289. Minus 4 times y minus 1 being multiplied with 71 minus 7y. You will be getting 71y minus 7y square minus 1 into 71 minus 71 minus 1 into minus 7y 7y is greater than or equal to 0.
Sir, we can divide 4 by 4 on both sides, sir.
Yes, divide both sides by 4. Divide both sides by 4 because 4 is the common part. So that we get y square minus 34y plus 289 minus 71. This will be actually 71y plus 7y, 78y. That will be minus 78y plus 7y square plus 71 greater than or equal to 0. So further, we need to simplify this one. 7y square plus y square is 8y square minus 34y minus 78y. How much you will be getting?
Minus 112y.
Very good, 112y. Next, 289 plus 71. How much you will be getting?
260, sir.
Plus 360.
360,
plus 360. Yes, plus 360 because 280 plus 70 is how much? That is 350. 9 plus 1 is 10. 350 plus 10 is 360. That's correct. Now let us check any common from these three terms we can take. Can 112 is divisible by 8?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
8 14 ja.
8 14 ja. What about 360?
8 45 ja.
8 5 ja 40. Yes. So now divide both sides by 8. So then you get like this now. Y square minus 8 1 ja 8. Okay, 8 1 ja 8. 32. 8 4 ja 32. 14y plus 8 4 ja 32. 8 5 ja greater than or equal to 0. No, very simple. This 45 factors we need to write. 45 means 9 5 ja 45. 9 plus 5 is 14. So that means we can have now y square minus 9y minus 5y plus 45 greater than or equal to 0. So y common we
y
have.
lies between 5 and 9, sir. 5 and 9.
Does not lie. minus 5 common, y minus 9 greater than or equal to 0. So y minus 9 common out, we have 1 y minus 9 into y minus 5 greater than or equal to 0. So now here the roots will be corresponding equation roots, y is equal to 5 or 9. So if you take the number line, you will be getting like this now. Take the number line, help of the number line. Okay, just locate 5, 9. Check the coefficient of y square. Coefficient of y square is positive. So you will be getting like this, wavy curve method. This is plus sign. This is plus sign. This is minus sign. So that means it is plus. Plus means here to here, here to here. That means here, as for this, y belongs to negative infinity to
negative infinity
5,
to minus
union
5, the union
9 to infinity.
9 to infinity.
That means y does not lie between 5 and 9. Y does not lie between 5 and 9. That we can conclude. So y does not lie between 5 and 9. So according to the problem, hence none of the values of y, over R, that means for all real numbers of x does not lie between, already none we have used, negative sense, lies between 5 and 9. Yes, completed. Only it depends upon some what calculations are more, but we can solve this problem if you go through it. Very simple manner. So today we shall discuss three more problems so that this chapter will be completed. Tomorrow onwards, I will start objective type questions based on quadratic inequalities. Okay, 12th problem.
61 page. Okay, sir.
Okay. Determine the range of x minus 1 times x plus 2 upon x plus 3. Okay, so determine the range of x minus 1 into x plus 2 by x plus 3. So provided x belongs to R itself only, over R, set of real numbers R. That's nothing but the range of this function we need to find out. First, let us say y equals to x minus 1 multiplied with x plus 2 upon x plus 3. First, we need to simplify. After that, apply the cross multiplication method. X minus 1 into x plus 2 means x square plus 2x minus x plus 2. So that we can write x square plus 2 minus 1 is plus 1. So plus x you will be getting. Minus 1 into plus 2 is minus 2 upon x plus 3. So now after cross multiplication, we get like this: x square plus x minus 2 equals to xy plus 3y. So bring xy plus 3y to the left hand side. We get x square plus x minus 2 minus xy minus 3y equals to 0. Now this can be written x square plus x minus xy, take x common. We have 1 minus y times x. This is minus of 3y plus 2 equal to 0. Here, it's a quadratic equation x. A equals to 1, b equals to 1 minus y, whereas c equals to negative of 3y plus 2. Here, since x is real, because the range of function will be real values only, since x is real, discriminant delta or d capital D greater than or equal to 0. So that is nothing but b square minus 4ac greater than or equal to 0. So let us substitute. So b square 1 minus y whole square minus 4 times a is 1, c is a negative of 3y plus 2 greater than or equal to 0. So 1 minus y whole square is 1 minus 2y plus y square. Negative into negative positive, plus 4 into 3y plus 2, that is 12y plus 4 into 2, 8 greater than or equal to 0. So this can be written in terms of a quadratic inequality: y square plus 10y plus 9 greater than or equal to 0. So now tell me, what's your solution? What is the range of function?
Y square minus 14y y equal to plus 7, sir. Check this inequality. Y square plus 10y plus 9 greater than or equal to 0. What are the factors of 9? 9 into 1. 9 plus 1 is 10. This we can write y square plus 9y plus y plus 9 greater than or equal to 0. So this we can write y common y plus 9 plus 1 common y plus 9 greater than or equal to 0. Y plus 9 into y plus 1 greater than or equal to 0. The corresponding quadratic equation to the given inequality is y plus 9 into y plus 1 is equal to 0. We get y is equal to negative 9, negative 1, because negative 9 is less than negative 1. Understood now? First least value, next after that, the more than that of this minus 9, we need to write it. This alpha, this is beta. Alpha must be always less than beta. In total, in this chapter, we generally consider like that. So minus 9 comma minus 1. So take the number line now. So take the help of the number line. So on a number line, so let us locate minus 9. So this is the minus 9. So this is also minus 1. Minus 9 is actually less than minus 1. You remember one thing. So now check the coefficient of y square. Coefficient of y square is positive. So that means the curve will be, wavy curve may be like this now. Plus 2, minus, and minus 2 plus. This is plus, minus, and plus. But we need plus. Plus means here to here, and also here to here. This is negative infinity.
This is positive infinity. Therefore, y does not lie between -9 and -1. But check the inequality. This inequality is actually equal to 0 is there, not strict inequality. So that's why here -9 is also included. Here -1 is also included. So now we can write now here y belongs to, we can write negative infinity comma -9 closed union -1 to infinity. Hence, we are asked range of the function. Range is equal to, generally the range will be displayed or represented by the interval. That is negative infinity comma -9 union -1 comma infinity. This is the answer. So instead of range, you may be asked another question also. Find the maximum and minimum value of the function, of rational function. Same procedure need to be applied. So shall I move to the next question?
Yes, sir.
So now the 13th question. Find the
Sir, show previous page, sir. Okay, sir.
find the maximum or minimum values of the function x square plus 14x plus 9 x square plus 2x plus 3 over R. That means R x belongs to, for every x belongs to set of real numbers. Maximum or minimum means, don't get confusion, maximum and minimum, not R minimum and minimum. That means indirectly we need to find out range only. Range of this function. Okay, I will give 5 minutes time to you. Try to solve this question. Today is the practice session, that's all. So tomorrow onwards, I will start objective type questions and some more difficulty level questions will be discussed. So let us say y. In some textbooks, instead of y, they take y naught also. Don't get confusion. If you take y naught also, no problem.
Y belongs to -infinity comma -5 union 4 comma infinity.
Check once again. Already clearly given that maximum and minimum means the interval must be closed interval range.
-5 comma 4.
x square plus 2x plus 3. So that means now cross multiplication x square y plus 2xy plus 3y equals to x square plus 14x plus 9. X square y plus 2xy plus 3y minus x square minus 14x minus 9 equals to 0. X square y minus x square common, y minus 1 times x square, 2xy minus 14x, 2x common, we have y minus 7 times x plus 3y minus 9 equals to 0. Being it is a quadratic equation in x, so comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, here we have a equals to y minus 1, b equals to coefficient of x, that is 2 times y minus 7, and c equals to 3y minus 9. Right? Here over R, set of real numbers, x belongs to R. Since x is real, that means the roots of this quadratic equation are real. Real means discriminant greater than or equal to 0. That is b square minus 4ac greater than or equal to 0. So let us substitute respective values. 2 times of y minus 7 whole square minus 4 times y minus 1 times c 3y minus 9 greater than or equal to 0. 2 square is 4. Y minus 7 whole square. Since it is in the form of a minus b whole square, we can have y square minus 2ab, 2y into 7, 14y, 7 square is 49. And minus 4 times 3y square minus 9y minus 3y minus 12y plus 9. Minus 1 into minus 9 is plus 9 greater than or equal to 0. Divide both sides by 4. Divide both sides by 4. So inequality symbol will not change because 4 is a positive number. So y square minus 14y plus 49 minus 3y square plus 12y minus 9 greater than or equal to 0. Still, it can be further simplified. Minus 3y square plus y square minus 2y square
minus 2y square plus 26
minus 2y
plus 40
plus 40. So to make y square coefficient to positive, divide both sides by negative 2. Divide both sides by negative 2. It's danger because the inequality symbol reverses. So having been divided by the minus 2, so this becomes y square now. This becomes y square plus y minus 20, correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Minus 20.
sir.
But here symbol, very important. So I use another color, less than or equal to 0. So now y square plus y minus 20 factorization, we need to do it. What are the factors you shall get it? 5 4 ja 20.
5y minus 4y.
Yes, 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4 is plus 1. So this we can write like this now. So minus 20 factors, we can have negative 5 into 4. So that we can write y square plus 5y minus 4y.
Minus 5 comma 4, sir. Minus 5
Very
comma
good.
4.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Y common y plus 5 minus 4 common, y plus 5 greater than or equal to 0. So y plus 5 common, we have y minus 4 greater than or equal to 0. So now the roots will be, or critical values also we can say, -5, 4. This will be alpha, this will be beta, such that alpha is less than beta. Yes, less than or equal. Right. Now here, what do you write now here? Take the number line first now. So locate, this is -5, minus 4, 4. Now, Abby curve method. This is y square coefficient is positive, plus sign. This will be minus, plus sign. Sorry. Absolutely correct. What you said. I have written wrong. This is less than or equal to 0, less than or equal to 0. Okay. So that means you need to consider here to here. So negative sign, less than or equal to 0. So therefore, y lies between -5 and 4. So hence range is equal to, here -5 is included, 4 is included. Closed -5, 4. So in this interval, what is the minimum and maximum value? That means
minimum value is -5, maximum value is
minimum value is -5, maximum value is 4. So this is the answer. Okay, tomorrow we shall continue. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you,
you,
sir.
Welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.